Hey there everybody, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World. I want to show you this truck that we just got in here. This is a 2006 Ford F350 crew cab short bed 6.0 Powerstroke diesel with only 78,000 miles. It is a 4x4 and it comes loaded with the LARIAT package. The body's in great shape. It's got a couple of things here and there. For a 14-year-old truck, it's not bad. Main thing is that it's got really good miles. It's hard to find a truck that's not rusted out with good miles. This one's, like I said, it's got 78,000 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around it so y'all can see what the body looks like. Tires are in great shape. If I'm not mistaken, they're brand new. The paint is in good shape. It's not faded. It comes with steering wheel controls, dual power and heated seats, sunroof, and aftermarket double dim radio. We also have dual exhaust, nice roll-up tonneau cover. I have 2 keys for the truck, 2 keys and 2 remotes, and a key for the tonneau. And then we have Line-X spray and bed liner. It's a beautiful truck inside and out. Leather's in good shape, not beat up for a 14-year-old truck. Everything's working as it should. Sunroof. There is no check engine lights or any lights of any kind. You have 2 keys, 2 remotes, and a key for the tonneau cover. All right, there she is. I'm gonna close the door. Actually, I might put the seatbelt on so you can see that light goes off. There you go. It's only got 78,000 miles. All the gauges work like they're supposed to. You also got steering wheel controls. Your steering wheel's in good shape. There's your double dim radio, which comes with navigation as well. You got rear power window, and it does work. There you go, it's working. Majority of the time, I will say 80% of the time, these windows don't work, but this one is working perfectly fine. You also have adjustable pedals, which is a very neat feature for those short people like me. Auxiliary switches for you to wire in any sort of lights or anything you want to put in there where it makes you happy. And then we have a sunroof, which also works. It's an automatic sunroof. There you go. Back seat's in great shape. Unlock on these Fords. It's normal stuff. Seems like nobody ever sat back here. All the bottom of the doors are there. I'm gonna pop the hood in this Bible here in a little bit. There you go, back seat, passenger seat. The console's in good shape. You got the dash. If you're in the market for a 1-ton truck and don't want to have a dually, well, this is it. You got plenty of springs to carry whatever you have to carry. This is what the engine bay looks like. The coolant reservoir is clean. It's not all white, so it's not puking coolant. It does have a color intake and exhaust for it to breathe better. But besides that, it's pretty much all stock. I didn't see any signs of programmers or holes anywhere, so that's actually pretty cool. know, this truck hasn't have a programmer. Alright, if you're in the market for a truck like this, feel free to visit our website at driveplatinum.com. Give us a call with any questions you may have at 540-898-8300. Also, if you're in social media, feel free to go to our Facebook page and our Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. 540-898-8300. driveplatinum.com.